Kudos to him. I'm way behind on that because I'm just looking at their face and hoping I can get an English name. Ralene Brough, Nanjing Tech. But I've used this little Check Prep app, and it is a flashcard app that allows you to learn their names, and it has this little game on it, so I know that's Bertha, and I can check myself because you touch it, and the flip side has her name, and it shuffles, and you know, it helps you to learn. So with all the 30, 45 minutes on the bus, that was something that helped me to learn all of my students' names. I can't do the Chinese names. I can't remember in past 3 seconds if they give me that, but I've learned their English names, and that's very important. They returned that appreciation by wonderful Christmas cards that they did as a group, and wonderful sentiments on it, and it's been a pleasure. The app is Check Prep, C-H-E-G-G. Check Prep.